Hi, and welcome to episode 8 of the Holden HZ build. A few parts have started to come in, including my wastegates and alloyed pipes. A few bits and pieces for the wastegates. So the Spectra has came in and I can finish off the pipe work. Just waiting for the silicone cups. So the first thing I have to do is decide where I'm going to plumb these wastegates up. That looks like a good spot there. Straight into the exhaust pipe after. A few fittings have came in and hoses for the turbos to be plumbed up too. 10A, -8 and -4. I've ran into an issue as well with the passenger side oil return. I don't know if you can see that, where the starter motor is interfering with it. So I've decided to tee it off on the driver's side. So let's get started and remove the turbos and the turbo manifolds to plumb up the wastegates. So over here I'm doing a final check before removing the manifolds, and I'm marking where I'm going to plumb the wastegate. So I'm welding a 2-inch pipe on the clip so you can see it a bit higher on the manifold. So I'm just cutting a hole out onto my manifold, and then I'm just going to notch the clip for a better flow. Bloody hole saws. it's time to put the manifolds back on and see how the wastegates fit. So far it looks not bad. This side's a tight fit. So from here, I'll just weld a straight pipe to the exhaust out. Like always, hit that subscribe and like button and share with all your friends. Catch ya. Hope you enjoy the episode.